Hey guys, Prashant here. Today is video tutorial. I going to show you how to enable localhost in Windows 10 without any third-party software like XAMPP. Without talking too much, let's get started. First, you need to go Windows search var and type Control Panel. Then click Control Panel. Make sure Control Panel View by option is large icon. Then click Programs and Features option. Now click Turn Windows Features on or off option. Now click on the Internet Information Services checkbox. If you're a developer, you are going to want to expand it and explore the subcomponents as well. By default, it installs all the stuff needed to host a website, and you are probably going to need some of the more developer-centric components as well. After clicking OK, this dialog will appear on your screen for a while. It will take some time, so please wait until done. Now close this dialog. Now let's check your localhost working or not. Now you need to open up your favorite browser. Now type in browser address var 127.0.0.1 or type localhost. Then hit enter. Wow, we can see our localhost is perfectly working. Now try to running our own HTML index page. Now change file type, TXT to HTML. Then copy index.html file. Then go to C drive, open init pub folder, then open www root folder, and paste copied file here, click continue. Now reload browser page. Wow, we can see our index.html page is perfectly working. So that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel TechSender for always stay connected to my channel and get all upcoming video tutorial on technology issue. Goodbye and take care of yourself.
Till my shadow turns to sun.